Remove acrylic blocks. Loosen and remove the fixing block baffles fixed on the aluminum profile. Gantry assembly. Use the spacer template tool to adjust the spacing of the nuts on both sides of the Y-axis aluminum profile. Use spacer template tool to adjust the gantry position, then use M620 socket head, cap bolt and washers to fix the gantry on the nuts on both sides of the Y-axis base. Z-axis assembly. Use M514 socket head cap bolt to fix this axis assembly on the gantry. Align the upper row of nuts, tighten the screws not completely, and lower the Z-axis module. Tip: you can tighten the first screw first and then loosen it. Align the lower row of nuts, tighten the M514 socket head cap bolts not completely, and lower the Z-axis module. Insert the spacer template tool into the Z-axis assembly, adjust the final height of the Z-axis, and fully tighten all screws. Trim router holder assembly. Fix two M520 to socket head cap bolts, M5 washers and M5 nuts to the trimmer router holder. Then use M618 hex head bolts and M6 washers to fix the trimmer holder to the Z-axis slider. Trim router assembly. Insert the trimmer into the holder, then tighten the M520 to socket head cap bolts. Drag chain bracket assembly. Use two M520 button head bolts to fix the drag chain bracket on the Z-axis assembly. Drag chain assembly. Pass two M3 8-button head bolts through the drag chain, then screw on the M3T nuts, not fully tightened, and fix one end of the drag chain on the aluminum profile. The other end of the drag chain is fixed to the drag chain bracket with two M3 8-button head bolts. Wiring. Use a screwdriver to pry open the first section of the drag chain. Use a screwdriver to insert the drag chain buckle as far as possible and then pry it open. Pass the trim cable, Z-axis limit switch cable, and Z-axis stepper cable through the drag chain, then press all the buckles to restore. Reinsert the chain into the first section. Connect the Z-axis stepper motor, Z-axis limit switch and trim router cable. Connect the X-axis stepper motor, X-axis limit switch cable. Connect the Y-axis stepper motor, Y-axis limit switch cable. Use M3 8-button head bolt to fix cable clips to the base rear aluminum plate. Then use zip ties to secure the Y-axis motor and Y-axis limit switch cable. Use M3 8-button head bolt to fix cable clips to the drag chain bracket. Then use zip ties to secure the trim router cable. Use M3 8-button head bolt to fix cable clips to the aluminum plate on the right side of the gantry. Then use zip ties to secure the trim router cable, as axis motor and limit switch cables. Use cable wrap to wrap all motor cables and limit switch cables. Installing the antenna. Insert the trim router cable, all motor and limit switch cables. Plug in the power cord.